Get him, Gracie. You can get him. You have my permission. My permission. Albert! Gooser. Gracie! Come on, Gracie! Don't stand for that. You're a cat! I'm trying to keep up. Sorry, this is bad filming. I don't pan well. Oh, and there they go. Gracie, you have claws. Use them. What are you guys doing? It's the shield. The shield of grass. Keeps the puppies from them. From her. Puppies. Puppies. Puppy, puppy. Gracie, you are such a good girl. Thank you. Thank you, Aunt Gracie. Aunt Gracie's a good aunt.